secondhand and repurposed materials, and I did it for about $1,500, under $1,500. One of my big goals through living simply and living sustainably is really to make it accessible to other people and to help them to be able to live in a similar way if they desire to. So I see some of these really expensive tiny houses out there that might be $100,000, $150,000.
Ayun, dito ilabay sa ilalim.
Other end of the spectrum of just how simple it can be, how inexpensive it can be, and doing it in a way that really.
Ang atong porch mo hindo eh.
I'll take you inside, but you know, 100 square feet is pretty small. So I'm living in Orlando, Florida, in a very urban area.
Dito homey di ay. Ayaw dira ibalabay.
And so the way that I
Dalan.
designed this was to really fit into the neighborhood. I didn't want something that really stuck out, since tiny houses aren't actually legal in a lot of places, and I'm not putting it on wheels. So what I decided to do is bring it to be basically just like a shed. And that's the way that I really designed it. So what I used is mostly leftover materials from construction sites. So I'm using basic 2x4s and plywood. I used pallets as the foundation. The roof is just basic metal. These are secondhand materials I got off Craigslist for the windows, same for the doors. So yeah, building wise, it was a very simple design. I basically did research on sheds online and then adapted it for my needs. You know, sheds aren't typically gonna have so much windows and such large doors, for example. Here in Florida, we deal with extremely hot weather during the summer, so one of my main challenges was designing this in a way where I'd be able to make it through our heat, you know, our hot, humid summers. So one of the most important things was just leaving the roof open so that I can have a breeze, a cross breeze that just comes through here. Same with the windows and the doors on either side. There can always be a nice breeze coming through here. Obviously, I don't have air conditioning.